Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert A. Minnis announced on Wednesday, July 28, 2021, that the government will engage medical staff and 18 hospital beds will be added to the Princess Margaret Hospital as part of the continued approach to combat the surge in COVID-19 cases in the Bahamas.
We continue to be engaged in an aggressive and comprehensive approach, just as we have over the past 18 months. This evening, I wish to advise you of a series of public health measures to assist with the care of people hospitalized with COVID-19, to limit further spread of the virus, and to secure more vaccines. I also wish to update you on our economic recovery during these trying times. And I want to assure you that we are working to protect you while allowing commerce and daily life to continue in a safe and responsible manner.
The Prime Minister was speaking during a national live address to update the public on the various public health measures being taken to assist with the care of COVID-19 patients, limit the spread of the virus, and secure more vaccines. He noted that, while there was no evidence as yet to the presence of the Delta variant being in the Bahamas, the fact that it is moving through so many countries worldwide meant that the nation must move forward with an abundance of caution in addressing the situation in the Bahamas.
In recent weeks, we have experienced a significant increase in cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. Our public health care system is being stretched to its limits. Our doctors, nurses, and other medical staff are doing all they can to assist those who are sick from this virus. I again commend and thank our frontline workers for the hard work they are doing. There have been many women and men of courage throughout this pandemic. They remain there day after day, fighting to prevent suffering.
The Prime Minister said that as part of a plan to engage as many trained medical professionals as possible to provide health care to Bahamians and residents and to get shots in arms as quickly as possible, an additional 49 medical staff, along with 111 nurses and nursing support staff, will be hired shortly.
The total cost of these new hires amounts to $7.1 million. Our plan is to engage as many trained professionals as possible to provide health care to Bahamians and residents, and to get shots in arms as quickly as possible as our vaccine supply increases. We are also calling on all retired nurses, doctors, and pharmacists to come forward and assist in this, our time of need.
The Prime Minister also announced that Samaritan's Purse, an international aid organization that assisted the Bahamas in the second wave of the pandemic, will once again assist the nation.
Given our current situation, I have once again asked them for help. Their response was immediate and without hesitation. For this, we are very grateful. Yesterday, an advanced team from Samaritan's Purse carried out a site inspection at the Princess Margaret Hospital with our healthcare officials. Their objectives were to assess the current operations in the original Samaritan Purse's medical tents and to determine how to expand this to allow for an additional 18 beds to improve the COVID management care delivery in the shortest possible time. I am happy to announce that this coming Friday, Samaritan's Purse will begin erecting the additional 18 beds.
Prime Minister Minnis added that the Public Hospital Authority is also working with a donor who was offered to provide an additional medical tent. He noted that medical tents previously donated by the U.S. government for other purposes are also being assessed to determine if they can serve as negative air pressure tents and be used in the treatment of COVID-19 patients. This has been a BIS update, and I am Kevin Harris.